Well, they did it. They killed the Amazon affiliate program. Amazon affiliate, the Amazon partner program is dead. They've cut the commissions to zero, to like 1%. Nobody's making any money. People are freaking out. People that are making money, people were making a lot of money doing reviews, review videos, review websites, and driving traffic to Amazon for popular products. Okay. And because it was a popular product and because Amazon is a popular vendor, people were making sales very easily and converting very easily because it was Amazon and because they were popular products. Okay. Now everybody's going crazy because they've cut all the commissions. Okay. So they don't need you to be an affiliate anymore. And Amazon is so big that they've just pretty much decided they don't need affiliates. Okay. But I've got an alternative for you. I'm going to show you something real quick. This is going to be a really quick one and you're going to be very thankful. So if you're selling on Amazon, if you're selling Amazon affiliate program, this is for you. Okay, like I've always said, you can be affiliate for anybody. Okay, you don't have to be an affiliate for Amazon. You don't have to go to ClickBank. You can be an affiliate for anybody. If you want to do review websites or review videos and do products, you can still do it even without Amazon. Okay, Walmart has an affiliate program. Okay, they have similar commissions to what Amazon used to have. Okay, so they're a very good Amazon affiliate alternative to Amazon affiliates, Amazon associates. Okay, next one on the list is the Home Depot. Okay, now the Home Depot, you go to any retail website. Okay, big box store, whoever, you come down. Okay, you come down here and you're looking for resources. And let's see if it's here. There it is, affiliate program. Okay, so they have an affiliate program. So if you're doing home improvement or tools or even home furniture, they have a lot of patio stuff, outdoor furniture, stuff like that. You know, Home Depot has a lot of good stuff, even home decor. Okay, and they have an affiliate program, and their commissions are what Amazon's, even better than what Amazon's used to be. Okay, now if we keep going and we can search and search and search, we go to Target. We go to Target again. You're going to scroll to the bottom of whatever website, find your niche. You're going to find your niche and you're going to look to see who's the best affiliate program. Okay. You're going to go to more. We're going to scroll down a little bit. There it is, affiliates. Okay. Right here, affiliates. So Target has an affiliate program that's comparable to what Amazon used to be. Now, what else we got? Again, I can do this all day. You scroll to the bottom of whatever website, whatever store, whatever retail that you want to be a partner for, and right over here, partnerships affiliate program. Okay, again, and they're selling electronics. Electronics usually has a bigger commission. So if you want to be doing reviews for cameras, computers, laptops, TVs, you know, instead of doing the Amazon program, you're going to go to Best Buy. Video. I mean, don't go crazy. Don't jump out of the window because the Amazon affiliate program is dead. Okay. There's plenty of alternatives out there for physical products. All you have to do is search. Okay. And don't give up hope. Like and subscribe to the channel. Keep making money online.